Welcome back to Supreme Luxury, where timeless design meets cutting-edge performance. And today, we're stepping into the world of open-top driving with one of BMW's most iconic roads, the upcoming 2026 BMW Z4 Roadster. This car is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the emotion you feel the moment the engine comes alive and the road opens up in front of you. The 2026 BMW Z4 Roadster continues BMW's tradition of blending sporty elegance with modern innovation. At first glance, the design feels sharper and more confident than ever. The long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance instantly remind you that this is a true rear-wheel drive sports car. Subtle refinements to the front fascia, sleeker LED headlights, and updated aerodynamic elements give the Z4 a more aggressive yet refined presence, perfectly suited for drivers who want both luxury and performance in one striking package. Step inside, and the cabin reflects BMW's commitment to premium craftsmanship. High-quality leather, aluminum accents, and a driver-focused layout environment that feels intimate and sophisticated. The 2026 model is expected to feature an upgraded digital cockpit with a larger infotainment display, smoother graphics, and enhanced connectivity. Every button, every stitch, and every surface feels designed to heighten the driving experience. Whether you're cruising along the coast or pushing the car through winding mountain roads, under the hood, the 2026 BMW Z4 Roadster is all about thrilling performance. BMW is likely to continue offering turbocharged engines that deliver strong acceleration and a satisfying exhaust note, paired with a responsive transmission and finely tuned suspension. The Z4 offers sharp handling and precise steering that true driving enthusiasts crave. It's a car that feels alive in your hands, responding instantly to your inputs and rewarding confident driving. Of course, luxury today also means advanced technology and safety. The new Z4 is expected to include the latest driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, and advanced braking systems, all working quietly in the background to enhance confidence without taking away from the pure driving feel. The 2026 BMW Z4 Roadster is more than just a convertible. It's a statement of freedom, style, and performance. It represents the joy of driving in its purest form, combined with the refinement and prestige that define the BMW brand. If you value elegance, power, and the thrill of open-air motoring, the Z4 Roadster stands ready to deliver an unforgettable experience. Every time you turn the key, stay tuned with Supreme Luxury for more exclusive insights into the world of high-end automobiles.